And there's a house sitting right there. And it washed down the creek right here, then hit this house down here and demolished it. Then it went on down and lodged against the bridge. We was without power 11 days, and we was blocked in for 6 days. We couldn't go nowhere. I mean, it was just a bad time, brother. We ain't never seen nothing like this before in our lives.
We were counting how many days we'd work straight because we didn't know how long it was going to be. We knew how long it had been. So that was day 19 there. It was 33 before we got our first full day off. I can't remember her name, but she came out and talked to us and was asking us about food and stuff, you know, and we were like, yeah, well, at this point, we're not really eating that good. She said, well, you come back in 2 days, that I'll have you some food there. When we come out there, man, her and her son, they have biscuits and gravy, sausage, pancakes. That was the best breakfast that I had the whole time.
Being in law enforcement my whole life, I know how difficult that work can be. I know how difficult it is to get called out at 3:30 in the morning because, you know, somebody that was inebriated is taking out a light pole. So, you know, I have a lot of respect for what they do, and I think that they're no more different of a first responder than I am.
So when the storm hits, you know, we work hand in hand with the first responders because they can't do their job until we clear the roads. We get the wires out of the road to make it safe. You know, so we lean on each other for the initial attack of the storm. And if it wasn't for the local folks banding together and doing what they do, there would be a lot of stuck people.
The weeks and months immediately following the storm, there's all of this rebuilding happening. The one silver lining of it is getting that understanding of how much people in a situation like that really are ready to help. Being overwhelmed by the incredible devastation, but then also overwhelmed by the beauty of how generous people were with each other.
It was amazing to see how people came together in these parts. We even had people giving us food, shirts, socks, you name it, they were giving it to us. I'd never been on a storm where people were so giving.
We're out in the community, the community that got devastated, that they don't have anything and they're trying to give you the little bit they do have. So it kind of gets to you.